Car jump starter power banks are essential for emergency vehicle starts, tire inflation, and charging devices anytime, anywhere. Roadside.my. Today's video is about top 5 best car jump starter power banks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Wolfbox Jump Starter with Air Compressor. This newly upgraded all-in-one jump starter and air compressor is a powerful roadside essential that combines emergency starting, fast inflation, and portable charging in one compact device. With an 88.8 Wh battery and peak 4000 A current, it can start completely dead 12V vehicles up to 10L gas or diesel engines with confidence. Its 65W USB-C fast charging and multiple USB outputs ensure rapid power delivery, while the 160W DC output turns it into a reliable 24,000 mAh power bank. The built-in compressor inflates tires quickly, from sedan tires in about 40 seconds to pickup truck tires in just over 2 minutes, making roadside fixes effortless. A 400-lumen LED flashlight with strobe and SOS modes improves safety at night, while its IP64 rating and -4 degrees Fahrenheit operating range ensure durability in harsh conditions. Backed by a 24-month warranty and strong safety protections, it delivers peace of mind for drivers on the go. Overall, it is a reliable all-in-one emergency tool for any vehicle owner. Highly recommended for road safety and travel preparedness today. Now our second product is SZEVZO Car Jump Starter. The SZEVZO ET03 Jump Starter is a compact yet powerful emergency tool designed for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and even boats. With a peak current of 4000 A, it can quickly start 12V engines up to 8.0L gasoline and 7.0L diesel, delivering reliable performance in seconds. One of its standout features is the ability to restart even 0V completely dead batteries using its force start function, making it highly dependable in critical situations. Beyond jump starting, it also functions as a 74Wh portable power bank with dual USB outputs for fast charging smartphones and tablets. The built-in 500-lumen LED flashlight with SOS, strobe, and steady modes adds essential visibility during nighttime emergencies. Its LCD display, wide operating temperature range, and 24-month standby capability further enhance usability. With 10 intelligent safety protections and smart clamp indicators, it ensures safe operation. Overall, the ET03 is a versatile, reliable, and safety-focused roadside companion. Our third product is OXILAM Jump Starter Power Bank. The OXILAM Car Jump Starter is a high-performance and reliable emergency tool designed for drivers who want maximum peace of mind on the road. With an impressive 6000 A peak current, it can instantly revive dead batteries in seconds, even in extreme weather conditions. It supports up to 60 jump starts on a single charge and is powerful enough for all gas engines and 12L diesel engines, making it suitable for cars, trucks, RVs, motorcycles, tractors, and more. Safety is a key strength, with 10 intelligent protection systems that guard against short circuits, sparks, reverse polarity, and overheating, ensuring safe and stable operation. Beyond jump starting, it doubles as a 3-in-1 emergency device with a fast-charging power bank and a bright 800-lumen LED flashlight featuring SOS, strobe, and steady modes. Its rugged, waterproof, and compact design makes it easy to carry and durable for long-term use. With an LED display for battery monitoring and lifetime support, the OXILAM Jump Starter is a dependable roadside companion worth having. Now number 4, Lokithor Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The JP400 Jump Starter stands out as a premium all-in-one emergency tool, combining compact design with powerful performance. Recognized with the 2025 German Design Award, it delivers 2500 A peak power, capable of starting 12V vehicles up to 8.5L gas and 6.5L diesel engines in seconds, even in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The built-in boost function intelligently detects battery voltage, helping revive fully drained batteries with ease. It also features a 150 psi cordless air compressor with preset modes for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls, automatically stopping at the desired pressure for safe and convenient inflation. Safety is a major highlight, with 10 layers of protection and an advanced BMS system ensuring secure operation in all conditions. The exclusive ConnectMax technology improves poor battery contact performance by up to 30%, ensuring reliable starts every time. Additionally, it works as a power bank with dual USB ports and includes a 300 lumen LED light with SOS mode for emergencies. With a smart 4.15-inch display, rugged build, and efficient thermal design, the JP400 is a highly reliable roadside companion. And our last choice is Solar Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The Solar CYD22 6000A Jump Starter with Air Compressor is a powerful all-in-one emergency tool designed for maximum roadside confidence. With an impressive 6000A peak current, it can instantly start all 12V vehicles, including heavy-duty 14.0L diesel engines, making it highly reliable in extreme situations. It also comes with heavy-duty jumper cables and 400V insulated gloves, ensuring safe and secure operation. Beyond jump-starting, it features a 150 psi air compressor with 45 liters per minute airflow, supporting cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls. The 3.3-inch LCD screen provides real-time pressure monitoring, preset inflation, and auto shutoff for easy and accurate use. Its 16-in-1 multifunction design also includes a power bank, fast charging capability, and an 800 lumen LED light with flashlight, SOS, and strobe modes for emergencies. Safety is well covered with 10 intelligent protections against short circuits, overload, overheating, and more. The compact design with EVA carrying case makes it highly portable and easy to store in any vehicle. Overall, the CYD22 is a versatile, durable, and dependable roadside companion for drivers and outdoor users alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.